Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is the third video in our HTML tutorial series. In our last video, we talked about the basics of HTML and how to get started. Today we're going to dive into the best online resources to learn HTML. These resources will help you become a pro in no time. I'll provide all the links to these resources in the comments below. Let's get started. Learning HTML has never been easier, thanks to the plethora of online resources available. Whether you prefer video tutorials, interactive coding exercises, or comprehensive written guides, there's something for everyone. Here are some of the best resources to help you master HTML. W3 Schools. W3 Schools is one of the most popular websites for learning HTML. It offers clear, concise tutorials and examples that make it easy to understand and practice HTML. They also provide interactive coding exercises that allow you to try out your code and see the results instantly. Here's a quick look at W3 Schools. As you can see, they have a simple and clean interface, making it easy to navigate through different topics. MDN Web Docs. Next, we have MDN Web Docs. Maintained by Mozilla, MDN Web Docs is a comprehensive resource for web developers. It provides in-depth documentation on HTML, along with examples and best practices. If you want to go beyond the basics and learn about the intricacies of HTML, MDN is the place to go. Codecademy. If you prefer interactive learning, Codecademy is an excellent choice. Codecademy offers an engaging, interactive HTML course that takes you from beginner to advanced levels. The platform is user-friendly and makes learning fun. Let's check out Codecademy. You can see that it provides interactive lessons where you can write and test your code. It's perfect for those who enjoy a hands-on learning experience. YouTube channels. There are countless YouTube channels dedicated to teaching HTML and web development. Some popular channels include Traversy Media, The Net Ninja, and Academy. These channels offer high-quality tutorials that you can follow along with at your own pace. Freecodecamp. Another fantastic resource is Freecodecamp. Freecodecamp offers a full-fledged web development curriculum, including a comprehensive HTML section. It's a great way to learn HTML and other web development skills through hands-on projects and exercises. Here's a sneak peek at Freecodecamp. The platform guides you through lessons step by step, and you get to apply what you've learned immediately. Plus, you'll be working on real projects, which is a great way to build your portfolio. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials.